Jolie, and today I'm going to be installing the CarriageWorks bolt-over grill for the brand new Kia Soul. Just like all CarriageWorks bolt-over billet grills, this installs quickly and easily with simple hand tools. We're going to start by pre-assembling the supplied hardware. With the hardware pre-assembled into the grill, we're going to place the grill into the grill opening. With the grill in place, tighten all hardware. Next, we're going to repeat the process with the bumper grill. And there you have it, the CarriageWorks bolt-over billet grill for the new Kia Soul.